Hello everyone. This is day 589 of LeetCode POTD streak. Separate the digits in an array. So let me explain you the problem clearly and how did I solve this. Given an array of positive integers nums, written an array answer that consists of the digits of each integer in nums after separating them in the same order they appear in nums. To separate the digits of an integer is to get all the digits it has in the same order. So, for example, in the integer 10921, the separation of its digits is 1, comma 0, comma 9, comma 2, comma 1. So, let's take an example 13, 25, 83, 77. 13, 25, 83, 77. Now, this is the example one. Now, if I divide this number, I would get 1, comma 3. Then, this number, I would get the digits 2, comma 5. This number, I'll get the digits 8, comma 3. This number, I'll get 7, comma 7. Now, the problem is how do I divide an integer? Divide integer to digits. Now we can also get it like something as we just need to get like in a while loop while we have n. Just imagine if I have 109 2, 3, 1. If I divide with 2, 3. If I divide with 10, I would get 1092 and 10920 and the remainder is 3. I would get it. Now, this 1092, I'll again divide it with 10, I would get 109. Then 1090 and the remainder is 2. 2 is another number. Now, if I divide 109 with 10, I would get 10 tens is 100 and 9 will be another number 329. 10 with 10, I would get 10 ones, 10, which is 0. Now again 10 is divided 1 is divided with 10, 10, 0, 0 and 1. But I need to take this order in reverse 1, 0, 9 and then 2 and then 3. So it is taking like a while loop. That's why I don't go with this one. Instead, what I think nums dot length is less than or equal to 1000 and nums of I is less than or equal to 10 power 5. So what I'm thinking, it is quite simple way, but we need to write another function for this. So instead my algorithm will be convert nums of I every number or just go with for I is equal to 0 till n, convert nums of I to string s, push every character into answer after changing character to digit. That's it, right? So I would write it like this. For I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Just convert s is equal to two string nums of I for character C in s answer dot pushback pushback C minus what is it? C minus A, right? So I have this answer and return the answer at the end, but before that we need to initialize the answer. Vector of int answer and then I have int n is equal to nums dot size. That's it. That's how you solve this problem. And I have given the code link in the description. This is the code itself. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for excuse me once again. So there was a mistake. It won't be A. It is the uh, what do you say? Alphabets. We need to minus A. But as they are digits 1, 2, 3, and so on till 9, we'll just uh, subtract 0 there. So that's how you solve this problem. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.